1954 Ford F-100 regular cab Stepside. Here, unique specialty in classics. This vehicle was actually restored approximately 15 years ago by the current owner's father-in-law. Current owner just hasn't driven enough in the past 3 years, decided it was time for somebody else to enjoy it. So here it is underneath the hood, 239 cubic inch Y-block V8. And we are going to fire it up, take a peek at that. Jason's going to take it for a drive. 3-speed manual transmission. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the front end on this truck. Quite the styling on that 54 grille. As you can see, kind of a turquoise in color. Tan interior. Check out the still pictures. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on steel wheels, Ford wheel covers, Bridgestone radial tires. Technician did note those are date coded 2014, but they are in nice shape. I want to let you know the date code on there. As far as the paint, it has a decent shine to it, as you can see. I wouldn't say it's the highest end, trailer queen paint job that I've seen, but hey, it's going to show well at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Take it out, drive it, have some fun. So we take a peek down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You can have some imperfections here or there in the paint, but again, overall, I've not noticed anything major. Bench seat, of course, kind of a saddle or tan vinyl. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. And like I said, take a peek underneath the hood. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the wood in the box. Was originally a Texas Ranch truck before going to the gentleman that restored it. There you can see dual exhaust. Fuel tank has been replaced and fuel system was gone through. Does have a new battery. Both window regulators were replaced. 4 new wheel cylinders. Brakes are 100% in the front, 100% in the rear. Did mention it's got a little bit of drivetrain seeps. Nothing out of the ordinary for a truck that's driven a little bit. Let's take a look down this driver's side. And again, you can see the body is not all beat up on it or the bed or anything like that as far as those major dings or nicks or scratches. So like I said, paint isn't like a trailer queen paint job, but definitely presentable, let's put it that way. We'll see. And take your time looking through those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you like Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see no flooring in it, but if you wanted to put some sound deadening material in and then carpeting over the top of it, next owner can do that. It's one of those trucks you can get into, a lot of bang for the buck. You can see no rips, tears, holes in the seat. Get into the classic car hobby with this one without, like I said, breaking the bank. A little bang for the buck on this one. All right. Tech did note the gauges were in op. We're going to turn the key right there. Push button start over here on this side. That Y block fired up. Sounds good too. Make sure we're neutral. Nice throttle response. Door closes nicely, and let's listen. Definitely a smooth runner, like I said, sounds good. All right, let me slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's get this hood open. Check out that engine bay. You want to peek at this hood ornament? Get a good look at it. All right, let's check out this engine bay. There we go, hood popped open. Look at this, good looking engine bay, chrome valve covers. Found out why it sounds so good. There's headers on it. Got single carb up top there. That'd be a 239 cubic inch Y block. Paired up with that 3-speed manual. Running smooth. (1954) Ford F-100 regular cab Stepside. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1954 Ford F-100. Very cool looking truck. Nice turquoise color on the inside. Chrome hood ornament. Well, this truck's kind of a work in progress as far as it doesn't have any carpet, but what that allows you is to see how good a condition the floor is in. Choose your own carpet, whatever you want to put in there. Headliner as well. I do not have a speedometer needle. The fuel gauge is reading empty. The temperature gauge, sitting down by cold, I believe maybe that came up a little. Don't take my word. Oil pressure, now that one's interesting. The actual oil pressure gauge does move. It's at half or a little above half, which is where you want it. But on top of that is another needle laying sideways. So that would just involve taking apart those gauges, see what's going on in there, if you want to get that other one out. The battery does show charging over halfway on the gauge, which is good. Other than that, the handle on the wing window on the driver's door is missing, so that's not shut right now. There's maybe some flat spots in the tires giving a little bit of vibration, but it's an easy to drive truck. It's a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. Nicely reupholstered seat, bench seat in here, of course. The wood bed looks good. The engine runs smoothly. It's a great place to finish it the way you want. You already got a decent paint job and great color. Check out all the pictures of this 54 F-100 at UniqueClassicCars.com.